Sajji marination. Dip chicken in vinegar salt water for 15 minutes. Now ready marinating materials. Half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, chili sauce, vinegar, coriander powder, tandoori chicken masala, chaat masala, 2 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric haldi powder, 2 tablespoon of red chili, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half lemon juice, and half cup of wal. Beat it well. Chicken cuts this style, and marinate well. Now tie its leg pieces and par. Now stay it for 6 to 7 hours or overnight.